Hello everyone. Today I am with a new video, that is development of community mental health in India. In the last video we had a discussion regarding what? Regarding community mental health services. Okay. Today we are going to see development, how the development is taking place in the field of community mental health services in India. Before going to the topic, we will see again what is the meaning of community mental health once again. Community mental health means provide mental health treatment to people who is staying in a community through community clinic and home care services. So we are giving care and treatment to the people, those who are staying in the community. So we are entering into the community from the four walls of the hospital and giving care to the normal people who are staying in the community, means that is community mental health services. And how we are giving this community mental health services means through community clinic and through home care services. These community mental health services are mainly focusing on rehabilitation services and protection of human rights of mentally ill people. So, rehabilitation, restoration of normal physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being of the person after discharging from the hospital. That is the main aim of community mental health services. And of course, protect the human rights of mentally ill people, because most of the people are not aware about their rights. Though they are a mental ill person, they have a lot of rights like a normal common citizens. And what are all their rights and how we can protect the human rights of these mentally ill people? That is also an aim of community mental health services. This community mental health services started 100 years ago onwards, but there is a stigma or a discrimination, we can say, in this field. That's the saddest part of this development of community mental health services. And there are a lot of barriers we can see to make stop the development or the progress or implementation of this community mental health services. During the time of British rule, there were a number of mental health hospitals, that is asylum. Previously, mental health hospital is known as asylum, opened in India, and these hospitals continued after even 1947 also. That means after independence also. And we have built many institutions after this independence, and but still very less in number comparing to European countries. In European countries and all, we cannot see that stigma or discrimination in the field of mental health services, but still we have built lot of institutions in India, but comparing to these European countries, we have very less number of mental health hospital or community mental health services in India. In last decade, we have seen lot of problems in the field of community mental health services. That's what I've told you. Something which create the stigma or discrimination means shortage of staffs, failure in leadership and management, financial difficulties and lack of quality of care. These are all some reasons which prevent the implementation or proper implementation of community mental health services to common people or needy people. And what is the aim of this community mental health services or community psychiatry? That we are going to see now. Community mental health or community psychiatry's aims are mental health promotion, prevention and treatment. So, health promotion, prevention of diseases and treatment of mental health condition. Then psychosocial support to the people, psychological support or psychosocial support to the people. Then rehabilitation plans to the people after they are discharging from the hospital. Then prevention of alcohol and substance abuse. Alcohol and substance abuse create lot of mental health problems, so prevent or eradicate the alcohol and substance abuse. Primary healthcare system and tertiary care hospital linkage. Establish or elaborate the care system. Then discrimination or stigma removal. Do some plan to avoid or eliminate this discrimination or stigma from the field of community mental health services, and protection of human rights of mentally ill people, and enhance the status of mental health with public health, or we can say integrate mental health with public health. These are all the aims of community psychiatry or community mental health services in India. Community mental health services in India took an initiative to participate family members of mental ill person in mental illness treatment. That was a revolutionary thing which took place in India. Community mental health services started to participate the family members also in the mentally ill person's treatment procedures. And it was started at Amritsar Mental Health Hospital in 1950s by Dr. Vidya Sagar, followed by Mental Health Center at Christian Medical College, Vellore, and All India Institute of Mental Health, Bangalore in 1960s. Today, We have mental health services in all districts of India under District Mental Health Program, that is DMHP, in 12th 5-year plan of India's plan. So today we have mental health services in almost all districts. So these are all the developments we can see in the field of community mental health services. Still we have a stigma or discrimination in the field. So we can say that if we keenly observe the development, we can see a gradual slow development of community mental health services in India. What are all the problems we are facing in the development or implementation of community mental health services? Means we can say no proper or ideal model of mental health care delivery. We don't have a proper idea or ideal model for mental health delivery to the common or needy people into the community. And mental health and social development linkage problem. We couldn't link this mental health services with social development sections, and no regular monitoring and evaluation. There is no review board to do regular monitoring and evaluation of the services, and no availability of some services to some areas. Poor integration of mental health services with general health services. So we couldn't collaborate the mental health services with general health services. That is another problem we are facing while looking into the implementation of community mental health services, and poor participation of community, because community is not aware about the importance of mental well-being and mental illness eradication. So poor participation of community. So these are all some major problems we are facing in the development of community mental health services in India. Now we will see some development. So what are all some development which took place or which had happened in the field of community mental health services? In that, first thing is National Mental Health Program. National Mental Health Program came into forces on 1982 August 2nd, and to provide mental health services to all people with available resources. That was the aim of this National Mental Health Program. Provide mental health services to all people with available resources. And there are three major component for this National Mental Health Program. They are treatment, rehabilitation and prevention, or we can say treatment, prevention and rehabilitation. So these are all the major three components of National Mental Health Program. This is a development or revolutionary development took place in the field of mental health services or community mental health services. Then, what are all the approaches of this National Mental Health Program? The major approaches of this National Mental Health Programs are task distribution. Distribute the task to different departments to do easy review of the implementation and evaluation of the services, and equity of care to every people. Equity of care, equal care to all needy people, and linkage community services with other health services, or integrate the health services, mental health services with public health services, and integration of other services with general health services. So these are all the main approaches of this National Mental Health Program. Another development which we have seen in community mental health services is District Mental Health Program, and it is launched in 1996. District Mental Health Program is launched in 1996. District Mental Health Program provides basic mental health services at district, sub-district level and integration with existing services. From the word itself, you can understand District Mental Health Program. So, it is helping to provide services, that means mental health services at district level, of course in sub-district level, and integration of this community mental health services with existing service, that means available service in the district. But the progress is very slow. So if you are looking into the progress of this district mental health program, we can see the progress is very slow due to some systemic and administrative problems. And this district mental health program is relatively low cost, high yield public health intervention. This is a very low cost and high yield public health intervention. So if we implement the things properly, we get lot of benefits, and we can able to give proper mental health services to all the needy people in the community. So it is launched in 1996, and it provides basic mental health services at district and sub-district level. This is the another development which we can see in community mental health services development in India. Then while coming to the year 1955 to 2000, we can see some more changes in district mental health programs, or the growth of district mental health program. We can see extended district mental health program to 25 districts in 25 states. mental health care started to give as a part of primary health care. So in the PHC, in the primary health care, mental health services also started to give and started to get government funds. So these are all some revolutionary changes and progress had happened in the field of district mental health program from 1955 to 2000. So I have told you, if we observe keenly, we can see a gradual slow development in the field of community mental health services in India. Then after 2001, some changes happened, like Supreme Court stresses the need of increase the scope of community psychiatry and ordered to state to take the responsibility of mental health of individual in each state. Okay, so individual review board can do a lot. Individual review board in each state means they can observe their people's problems, and this can do drastic changes. This can make drastic development and changes in the field of mental health services and started to give more importance to human rights. So these are all some developments. Another developments we can see after 2001. Then another thing is World Health Recommendations in 2001 World Health Recommendations for this community mental health services. They are primary care treatment, provide psychotropic medications to mental health problems, new policies and legislation, education and training to the people to aware the people regarding the importance of mental health and mental well-being, link mental health services with other health sector, monitoring of services and reviewing of services and do research. So these are all some World Health recommendations took place in 2001 to promote community mental health services. Then another thing is Community Mental Health Development Project. This is an Asia Australia mental health innovative community mental health development project and was begun in 2011. So Asia Australia mental health innovative community mental health project, and it was begun in 2011. And what is the aim of this community mental health development project means to develop locally sustainable best possible community mental health model and which can be predicted at local, district, state and national level to prevent, treat and rehabilitate people with mental disorders through integrating mental health care into public. So provide best possible community health services to the people with the available resources. That was the aim of this community mental health development project, and it was beginning 2011. That is the another development we can see in the field of community mental health services. Then while coming to age by age or year by year means what are all the changes we can see means or development we can see means in 1950 family partnership in treatment. So started to include family members also in the treatment of mental ill person. Then in 1960, if you are coming to 1960, government hospitals mental health units. Then 1970 we can see mental health with general health integration. So integrate started to integrate or combine mental health services with general health services. In 1982, National Mental Health Program launching. In 1990, non-governmental organizations work towards the community mental health services. In 1992, district mental health programs and district level mental health services, and in 2000 human rights protection programs, and 2001 World Health recommendation to protect the rights and protect the people, those who are suffering mental health problems in community. Then other developments we can see in the field of community mental health services are rural mental health services. Rural mental health services first started in India at Sakalwada, Karnataka, India in 1986 and started to focus on physician and psychiatric cases and with training center and laboratory. So these are all the some things, some changes or some important points we can see in rural mental health services. It is started in Karnataka in 1986 and they have focused on physician and psychiatric cases, okay, physician based, okay, and they have started training centers and laboratory to treat the mental health patients. Then another thing in the development is satellite clinic, okay. Satellite clinics started to provide services to everyone, okay, in the Nukan corner, okay, everyone in the Nukan corner of the village, and it is started in Anekal, Karnataka, India. Okay, it started at Anekal, Karnataka, and it is 22 kilometers away from Sakalwara. And another thing in the development of community mental health services is home care services. This home care services started in 1980s, and the main aim of this home health services was to support the people, those who are facing any crisis or crisis intervention, provide counseling to the people, and do home visit by expert. Expert means expert healthcare professionals, especially mental health professionals, to give care, to provide education, to give awareness to the people regarding the importance of healthy mind and healthy mental health. Then another thing, while coming to the development of community mental health, means school mental health programs to provide early diagnosis and treatment in holistic approach started, disaster management programs in community, education, teaching and training to community people and new researchers. So these are all some another developments we can see in the field of community mental health services. So this is about the gradual slow development of community mental health services in India. But still we can see a stigma and discrimination in this field. And in next videos we will study detailedly this national mental health program, district mental health program and all world health recommendations, etc. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you.